What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This right here is a owl decoy. So let's go ahead and get into it. And yes, I will try to do a little test on this. Owls are supposed to keep squirrels, other birds out of your yard or your garden, mice, rabbits. They are a predatory creature, and so is hawks. So hawks and owls actually be beefing. So hopefully when I put the decoy owl out there, hopefully a hawk don't try to destroy the owl. Now I don't know too much about this owl. Oh, that was kind of creepy. There goes my owl, and I can't see his head. Every time I try to turn it to me, the head turns away. So that's funny. Alright, let me try to leave it. I can't see the face, you guys, so the only time I can see the face is right there. Now, I don't know what this hangs on. I don't know nothing about this product, and it don't come with instructions. Alright, you guys, so this is not really a small owl. From the top of the ear, you have 14 inches. From what I see, you have like little holes right here, so maybe you can screw it on a 4x4. Alright, so you see there's a hole right here, and you can also see the holes on the bottom. So they got the hole there, the hole I'm talking about. They got one there, and then they got one right here. Oh, okay, so we got screws right here, you guys. Alright, now we have this half moon plastic right here, and I do not know what this is for. If this works, then this is amazing. If you remember, people used to use scarecrows and stuff like that. A lot of people don't like animals, pests in their yards, so this may be a good way to keep pests out of your yard. If you don't know, I did do an animal repellent. I believe I still have a discount program with the company with that. I will try to put that on the bottom, link that discount program with the animal repellent. We did repel squirrels with that. And I also have a bee trap and a whole bunch. I'm gonna make a playlist called Bug and Pest Control, and y'all can just go down the whole list. But the bee trap one is also on the discount program until September 6th, I believe. So I will post all that stuff, but I just want to have fun with this. Yeah, so let me go ahead, set this up, and try to get a good angle as far as cameras go, the GoPro, and whatever else I got, the trail camera, this camera, and let's see what happens. Alright, you guys, so it looks like the fake owl don't work. Well, at least not this fake owl. We will try something else, maybe a different maneuver. Something else will probably work, but as far as the nuts go, the nuts are absolutely gone. I have to look back at the footage to see what ate the nuts, but yeah, could have been squirrels or maybe raccoons or something came over, but something ate the nuts. So yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.